Sammy the Squirrel, the Pond-Saving Adventure. Sammy is a curious and adventurous squirrel. Sammy's daily routine of exploring the forest. Sammy's desire for new experiences. Sammy notices a colorful butterfly and decides to follow it. The butterfly leading Sammy deeper into the forest. Sammy wonders where the butterfly is taking him. Sammy reaches a hidden clearing and discovers a group of animals. The wise old owl, graceful deer, playful rabbit, and friendly turtle. Animals explain their concern about the drying pond and the impact on their lives. Sammy runs back to his squirrel friends and shares the problem. Brainstorming session as they come up with a solution. Sammy's clever idea to build channels using acorns to direct rainwater. Sammy and his friends work together to build the channels. Teamwork as they overcome obstacles. The channels successfully guide rainwater into the pond, saving it. Animals rejoice as the pond fills up with water again. Show the animals expressing their gratitude towards Sammy and his friends. Sense of accomplishment and unity among the forest creatures. The importance of teamwork and collaboration. The value of taking care of the environment. Sammy and his friends realize the impact they can make as small creatures. Sammy and his friends are hailed as heroes in the forest. The joy and contentment of the animals as they live harmoniously. Sammy's continued adventures and love for butterflies.